how to fix withdrawal failed on Gemgala app. So if you have actually processed and added all the details you need to add on your Gemgala app, you've linked it to your Met wallet, and you've also bind your bank account or your crypto wallet to your Met wallet, and you have actually made the transaction but you haven't received it in your local bank account or on your crypto wallet, then this video is actually for you. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to fix withdrawal failed on your Gemgala app. At the bottom of your screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the cat icon right there. If you click on it like this, you'd be able to go to this section. So looking right here, in order for you to fix this issue, you need to go ahead and scroll like this. Looking here, you can see where it says FAQ. If you click on FAQ like this, you are going to be able to see this option of withdraw. That is the second option right here. Once you click on it, looking here at the bottom, you can see withdrawal failed. So if you click on it like this, looking right here, you can see complete but not receive. Please send us a screenshot of your bank transaction statements, Met wallet ID, so we can actually check the withdrawal issue for you. So if your withdrawal actually failed, this is what you can simply do. Screenshot the withdrawal error or the transaction which was actually made on the app and send it to the Gemgala team. So if you've done the transaction and you are seeing pending on yours, this is what you can actually do right here as well. Looking here, it says there are always 2 to 7 pending days for banks. There is nothing we can do during this time. Please be patient. So if yours is showing pending, it has been 2 days to 7 days, you just need to wait patiently and you are going to receive it. So looking right here as well, if it says here invalid account, this is what you can actually do in such case. You just need to go ahead and recheck your bonded account. If you actually linked your local bank account or your crypto wallet, you need to go ahead and check that. Now looking right here, it says if you linked your United Arab Emirates account, you should begin with AE. The Republic of Turkey account should begin with TR. They are just trying to show you that just a simple mistake that you do while linking your bank account to the Gemgala app can actually result to you not receiving your money. So that is what they're actually trying to tell you. So while linking your bank account to the Gemgala app, you need to actually be careful of how you capitalize the text you use as well, because just a simple mistake can actually result to you not receiving the money at the time which you were supposed to receive it. So if the issue on your own end is submit failed, if you've actually linked your bank account and you're seeing the error of submit failed, this is what you can simply do. You just need to go ahead and unlink that bank account that you linked there, because the Gemgala did not actually accept that bank. So you just need to go ahead and unlink it and link a new one, and you'll be able to receive your money. This is how simple it is for you to fix withdrawal failed on Gemgala app.